In this video, we go from this to this, using only free and recycled materials. We're just mocking up for a fireplace here. If you've watched the videos, you'll have seen we had the old 70s fireplace. I'll just put a picture of that up now. Anyway, Shell found this on Facebook Marketplace. I think what I'm going to do is board over there and create a plinth piece here, and then Shell found these tiles as well. The tiles were free, the fireplace and the cast iron were 40 quid, but I'm going to make a hearth there now that I can tile onto, probably ply. It looks pretty good. Like I say, I think I'm just going to build some framework there now for a hearth. That's phase one complete then. I've just made a simple frame out of 3x2 and put some 22mm ply on, and that I can tile over. It's not going to take heavy traffic. It's not like it's going to be walked over every day. It's not going to take any water. I've put some OSB at the back just to create a area for me to bond tiles to again. And I'm going to tile the back in and tile the floor. So phase two is coming along, tiling up. Like I say, it's never going to take heavy traffic, but I'm definitely going to need some more adhesive because I've got to do all around the front yet. But it's coming along nicely. Just doing all the cuttings now around the bottom. The back piece is in and ready, and the front is pretty much in. Just need to do the corner cuts. I've got one piece in over that corner, and I'm just using fix and grout. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. Grout in. It's getting late now, so it's going to have to be tomorrow. But the grout needs to go off anyway. It's had its first wipe off. But I'll get it polished tomorrow once the grout's set off proper. The grout's all clean and some fixing blocks to fix the fire surrounding. And there we are. Bespoke fire surround. And there's the cast iron surround in place. Looking a bit pretty.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you